become an apps developer. I am sure you don't need me to tell you how uh, creating apps development can be, because it is not a hidden fact that there are lot of money to be made in apps development. But where do you start? It's no beginners that you have to learn to code to build apps. Before we start, let's see how many apps are they are on their internet at percent. Have a look at this infographic study. You don't need to intimidated by their number, because the sense are that a majority of them won't even be in your industry. And to be honest, many of them turn out to be complete great. Secondary, if you come to think of it, the fact that so many apps surround the market means that the damage demand demand for them is also high. So the future for apps development seems to be great. Now the question is, how will you as an individual make money online through apps development? Let's go through a second. Okay, so let's start. Assume that you have great idea. Now you want to build an apps asset on the. In this case, you should know how you are going to cash in on your apps and not expect to make mass money in your first year.